Hey, Keith here again from KG's Garage. Just want to show you out on the motorhome a quick way to put the T-skirts on. All the original hardware either rusted or broke or was no longer good. So originally I put them on with these 5/16 by 18 extruded U-nuts. So I slid the U-nut on the T-skirt and screwed this through. This nut, this bolt here, which is I don't know how long it is. No, here, the flange bolt, 13/16 is not long enough to make it through the top of the T-skirt and into here. So also I think it's a little bit too large, these bolts. This worked fine on the bottom, but I want to have all the bolts on the T-skirt. I want to have all the bolts on the T-skirt to be the same size. So I'm changing it out. Let me show you what I have. So I got these here. 1/4 by 1 inch. So it's a 7/16 head. I'm hoping these are going to be long enough. And these will screw into here like this. It's fogged up now. Into there like that. I'm sure on the bottom. It's probably going to be fine. It's going to slide these on. Originally, these had nuts welded on them, and then you would just screw on the bottom. Well, those broke off. You can see there's a little bit of the old one still here. The other side still has it. So, alright, so that will go on there. I'll bang that on. This one will go here. I'll bang that on. Nope, sorry, wrong way. This way. I'll bang that on. So the bottom of the T-skirt, you screw in here. Then you have holes up here. Same deal. Oh! I mean, I guess you could do a nut and bolt here too, if you wanted to. But I'm gonna do this, and I'll bang that on. Let me get all these on. I'll come back and I'll show you. Hopefully, let's see. Here's the hole. Here's the hole in the T-skirt. It's, you can see, I don't know how thick that is. Let's see if this bolt goes. Yeah, it might be enough. Maybe 1.5 inches would have been a little bit better of a bolt. But let's see what happens. Let me get these on. I'll come back. So you can see I have the gauge right here, and we have the T-skirts on. Let me show you. Same deal, right? You can't see the gauge. It's pointing right about here. So that was a dumb move. I guess even if it was straight on, I wouldn't be able to see it. The other thing to do is, there's a kit, or what you can do is get a piano hinge, put a piano hinge all the way here, and then you get some kind of super magnet, put it down at the bottom here, and you'd be able to lift this up. And you can go in here whenever you want. That might be something in the future. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to mount. I want this to mount so it won't fall off. But what I think I'm going to try to do is move this gauge to point this way, to point towards the front of the coach, and I might be able to come in here and see it. So I'll turn the gauge and it'll be facing this way. I might be able to see what it is. I don't know. Maybe not, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn this side over here and I'll find out what happens. So just got to spin the whole thing. Anyway. Right, it's installed. So these here, what are they, 1 inch? These inch work fine on the bottom. The head is 7/16. They didn't work on for the top here. I had to go back and get, this is just some grade 8 quarter by 20. I think it's like 1.5 inch bolt. Put it in there, but it's in there and holding. And down here, you can see I put a washer, bolt, a nut, sorry, a bolt, and then a washer, and then it's got that clip on the inside. So that's pretty good. I turned the gauge on this side, and I don't know if you could read the numbers, but I can kind of get an idea what's you know, where the gauge is at. It's more readable than it was on the other side. So I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna change it on the other side to do the same thing. That's it. Just get yourself some quarter 20 and those, what are those nuts? So that's it. All you do is get some of those extruded U nuts, quarter by 20. I would get the bolt to be a little bit longer than, get 1.5 inches. An inch is not enough. So that's it. Thanks for watching. It's a quick video. I've been doing, you know, trying to get some stuff done around here, and I'm trying to get the RV ready to go somewhere. I don't know where, but you know, this way I'm ready to just get in it and I can just go. Alrighty, well, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you have any comments, put them in the comment section below. If you have any questions, same deal. Put them down in the comments. I appreciate it, and have a great day. See ya.